will play the final of the Asia Cup. So congratulations to India, and I have to say congratulations to Sri Lanka also, even though they lost today. But both teams will now play the final of this Asia Cup. I'd like to introduce the presentation party. From Sri Lanka, we've got a special guest, Mr. Bandula Warnapura, former Sri Lanka Test cricketer and ACC Development Manager. Mr. BK Mathur, General Manager, Ultratech Cement. Mr. Mohsin Hassan Khan, RGM Sindh, PCB, and Mr. Muhammad Ali Shah, President KCCA and Minister of Sports, Government of Sindh. May I invite Mahela to please come forward. Tough luck, Mahela. Even a 300 wasn't defendable, I guess, on a pitch like this.
Yeah, the wickets are very good, and we knew that we had to get early wickets. I think they got away from us the first 10-15 overs, and that was very crucial. Dropped catch Raina, that was probably a bit crucial. You know, if you had picked up those early wickets, maybe we would have pushed a bit more.
No complacency at all, I hope. We didn't see any from Sri Lanka, but did you think that the fielders were complacent or gone complacent?
No, not really. I think we went flat out. I thought we batted really well. Planned, executed the plan, but every time we wanted to accelerate, we lost wickets, and that was a setback. Maybe 20 runs short, but I thought the Indians batted well. I think they didn't panic. They had a very good start, so after that, they batted sensibly.
How would this loss affect you psychologically?
Not really. I think we knew that, you know, when you came into this tournament, three big teams, anyone can beat anyone on in their day. So we just need to make sure that we prepare ourselves well for the finals, and it's just another final.
We'll try today, and all the best for that final on Sunday. All the best.
Thank you.
Mahela Jayawardene, the Sri Lankan captain. Now the Ultratech Cement Expert Batsman Award, it goes to Gautam Gambhir, 68 of 61 with 11 fours. Mr. BK Mathur will present the cheque to Gautam Gambhir for his most well-constructed innings. Then the big award, the Man of the Match award, and for his brilliant innings under pressure, MS Dhoni, 67 of 62. Mr. Bandula Warnapura to present the Man of the Match award. May I also request Mohsin Khan to please present the winning team bonus to MS Dhoni, since he's there to receive the Man of the Match award. Winning team bonus of US 5,000. MS, well done. More money, more glory. Well done today.
Of course, it's good for the side, you know, because we wanted to do well with the ball. And I think there were three bowlers, you can say, among the 5 or 6, whatever we used, you know, who bowled very well. RP, Ishant, and Pragyan Ojha. So it was really good to see them bowl well. And after that, I think it's very confusing. And after that, we got the kind of start that was needed from Virendra Sehwag and Gautam Gambhir. And after that, Raina capitalized on that. I got some runs, and Yuvraj and Rohit, they finished it off. So,
how nervous was the team? This really was the important game, almost a semi-final.
Well, we were not really nervous. We wanted to do well in this game, and you can say the excitement level was there, and we definitely wanted to be in the finals, you can say. So we were up there. We were a bit tired, but I think I was quite happy with the team's performance.
Any areas that you'd like to fine-tune before the final?
Well, of course, you can say a bit in the fielding, and you can say in the bowling department as well.
We've got to talk about your lovely innings under pressure. What was going through your mind? You needed a partner. You got that in shape of Suresh Raina. But overall, very consistent performance from the frontline batsmen, and especially from you.
I think it's not only about the boundaries. If you see, Sehwag and Gautam, they ran really well. And after that, that's what I said to Raina. If we put pressure on the fielders, then you don't really need to hit boundaries, because it's a big outfield and it goes left and right of the fielders. You can get a couple of runs. So that's what the plan was, and the wicket was quite good. So later on, even if the asking rate was over 6.5 runs and over, you can easily do it.
How happy are you now that you've spoiled Pakistan's party?
Well, couple of days off, and that you can say really is the thing that's what we are looking forward for. Couple of days off before the big finals.
What can we expect from India in that final? You obviously want to win this Asia Cup.
Well, good game of cricket. That's what we want to do out there.
All the best. Well done today. You were brilliant, MS. India's captain, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, gentlemen, for your presence. And that is what we have from the presentation ceremony also.